Hi everyone, this is the first lesson on the topic coding and decoding. Students will usually feel that this topic is very easy, and of course it is. To master this topic, we have to learn some things, among which the first one is alphabet and their place values. Place value, what does it mean? As A is the first letter of the English alphabet, A's place value is 1. As B is the second letter, B's place value is 2. In the same way, Z and its place value is 26. You should get used to these numbers or these place values. That will make your work really very easy. Again, solving a question based on coding and decoding is all about trial and hit. There is no concept behind solving a question from this topic. You have to go with a trial. When your trial fails, you have to look at some other trial. In this lesson, we are going to discuss how to relate the given words with the given numbers. Let me start with the first question. Observe the given question carefully. Observe the given words and observe the given numbers. If in a code language, cat equal to 24, tiger equal to 59, lion equal to 50, then what will be the code for the given word elephant? Let us see now. In order to get your answer, you have to relate cat and 24. The first thing which strikes your mind when you're given a question of this kind will be adding their place values. Let us see. C is the third letter of the English alphabet. A is the first letter of the English alphabet. T is the 20th letter of the English alphabet. Once you add these three numbers, 3 plus 1 plus 20, which gives you 24. Now let us look at the second word, tiger. Let us write their place values. Observe those numbers carefully once. T is the 20th letter in the English alphabet. I is the 9th letter in the English alphabet. G7, E5, R18. Once you add these 5 values, you will get 59. In the same way, let us relate lion and 50. L is the 12th letter, I is the 9th letter, O is the 15th letter, N 14. Sum of these things gives you 50. Let us apply the same logic for the last word. E is the 5th letter, L 12, E again 5, P 16, H 8, A 1, N 14, T 20. Once you add all these things, you will get 81. As this is an easy question, you will hardly find these kind of questions in your exam. Let us look at another question now. If wonder equal to 8, trust equal to 4, television equal to 25, then suggestion equal to, that's the thing what we have to find now. Let us try to relate the given words with the given numbers. Let me start with the first one, wonder. If you observe the given word, I want you to think about vowels and consonants. We know that A, E, I, O, U are vowels and the rest of the alphabet are consonants. In the word wonder, how many vowels do we have? 2. How many consonants do we have? 4. Can we relate 8 with these two? Yes. Number of vowel letters present in the word when multiplied by number of consonants present in the word. As there are 2 vowel letters, As there are 4 consonants, 2 4 times gives you 8. Let us look at the next word. Does the same logic apply here? In the word trust, you are given one vowel letter and the remaining are consonants. So 1 4 times 4. Let us apply the same logic here. Does this work? Number of vowel letters in the word television, 5. Number of consonants, 5 again. 5 times 25. Let us apply the same logic for the given word suggestion. How many vowels do we have here? 4. How many consonants do we have? 6. 4 6 times gives you 24. Now let us look at the next question. If in a code language, Earth equal to 30, universe equal to 72, country equal to 56, then planet equal to, that's the thing what we have to find now. Here, in order to relate these things, let us learn a new thing. I want you to focus on number of letters present in the word. Let us see how. When you try to relate the first word with the first number, when Earth is related to 30, number of letters present in the word Earth, 5. Observe this one carefully. Is 30 a multiple of 5? Yes. 5 6 times 30. 5 is about number of letters present in the word. 6 is nothing but 5 plus 1. As number of letters are 5, 5 when multiplied by its next number, 5 6 times 30. In the same way, can we relate universe and 72? Number of letters present in the word universe, 8 when multiplied by its next number. As there are 8 letters, 8 9 times 72. Can we relate country and 56 in the same way? We know that 56 is a multiple of 7. 7 is nothing but number of letters present in the word country. 7 8 times gives you 56. In the same way, in order to find your answer, in the word planet, number of letters present 6. When multiplied by its next number, 6 7 times 42. Let us look at this question now. If word equal to 64, sentence equal to 512, letter equal to 216, then paragraph equal to. Let us see now. Is 64 related to number of letters present in the word word? If you observe the numbers 64, 512, 216, these three numbers are cubes. 64 is 4 cube. 4 is nothing but number of letters present in the word word. As there are 4 letters, 4 cube, it's 64. Now number of letters present in the word sentence, 8. And you are given 8 cube and it's 512. Number of letters present in the word letter, 6. And you are given 6 cube and it's 216. In the same way, number of letters present in the word paragraph, 9. And your answer will be 9 cube, which gives you 729. Next one. If English equal to 84, Hindi equal to 70, Malayalam equal to 225, then Marathi equal to. Let us see now. Can we relate 84 with number of letters present in the word English? How many letters do we have in the word English? 7. Is 84 a multiple of 7? Yes. 7 12 times. Number of letters present in the word English are 7 and 84 can be written as 7 into 12. 12 is nothing but the middle letter present in the word English. Let us observe this carefully. In a word, if you are given odd number of letters, you will observe a middle letter. If you look at the word English, as there are 7 letters, L is the middle letter of the word. So middle letter's place value is 12. Number of letters present in the word English are 7. And you are given 84, which is nothing but 7 into 12. Can we relate Hindi and 70 in the same way? Number of letters present in the word Hindi are 5. Middle letter of the word Hindi is N. N is 14. I mean 14th letter in the English alphabet. So 5, 14 times 70. When you look at the next word, Malayalam, the middle letter of the word, Y, and its place value is 25. Number of letters present in the word Malayalam are 9. 9, 25 times gives you 225. Can we apply the same thing here? Yes. Number of letters present in the word Marathi, 7. And the middle letter's place value is 1. 7 into 1, which gives you 7. If you look at this question, if car equal to 22, chart equal to 5, candle equal to 93, then champion equal to. Let us see. Car is a 3-letter word and chart is a 5-letter word. If you look at these two words, each and every letter of the word car is present in the word chart. C-A-R. But still, car has a greater value than chart. Let us go with the first trial, adding the place values. Car, C is 3, A1, R it's 18. 3 plus 1 plus 18, which gives you 22. It works. Let us see what happens here. In the word chart, 3 plus 8 plus 1 plus 18 plus 20. C is 3, H is 8, A is 1, R is 18, T is 20. Once you add these 5 values, you will get 50. But you are given 5 instead of 50. 5 is nothing but reverse of the number 50. As 22 is a palindrome, we did not observe this. So when you get a palindrome, I want you to think even this way. Reverse of the number will remain the same. Let me explain you the word palindrome. The number which remain the same when you reverse it. One of the examples, 22. Another example, 121. 121 is a palindrome number. Now, let us get back to the question. Candle. Sum of the place values here. If you observe the numbers 3, 1, 14, 4, 12 and 5. Once you add these things, you will get 39, but you are given 93. In the same way, champion. Sum of all these things gives you 79. So your answer will be reverse of this number, which is 97. Now let us look at the next question. If cart equal to 60, travel equal to 240, quarantine equal to 85, institute equal to. Let us see now. Is 60 a multiple of 4? Why 4? Number of letters present in the word cart. As there are 4 letters present, is 60 a multiple of 4? Yes. Travel. If you look at the word travel, number of letters present? 6. And you are given 240. 240 is a multiple of 6. It's clear. If you look at the word quarantine, number of letters present here? 10. Is 85 a multiple of 10? No. So let us go with another trial. Observe these two words, cart and travel. C is the first letter of the word cart and T is the last letter of the word cart. First letter's place value when multiplied by last letter's place value. C, it's 3. T is the 20th English alphabet. 320 times 60. If you look at the next one, travel. T is the 20th English alphabet. The last letter of the word travel, L. 12. 20, 12 times 240. Let us apply the same thing here. Quarantine. Q is the 17th letter. E is the 5th letter. 17 5 times 85. Let us apply the same thing here. I is the 9th letter. E is the 5th letter. 9 5 times 45. Before getting into this question, I want you all to understand one thing, that you have to focus more on their place values. You have to memorize those things. You should be quick identifying those numbers, which makes the work really very easy to answer the given questions based on this topic. And along with remembering those things, you have to work more on identifying the logic. That comes only on practice. So you have to practice vigorously. Now, let us look at the question. If winter equal to 115, yesterday equal to 25, spring equal to 133. Let us see now. Let me start with the first word, winter. When you arrange all the letters of the word winter in alphabetical order, E comes first and W comes at the end. E is 5, W is 23, 523 times 115. In the same way, let us look at the next word, yesterday. When you arrange all the letters of the word yesterday in alphabetical order, A comes first and Y at the end. First letter's place value when multiplied by last letter's place value. A is 1, Y 25. 125 times gives you 25. Spring. Let us apply the same logic here. When you arrange letters of the word spring in alphabetical order, G comes first and S comes at the end. 719 times 133. If you look at the last word, summer, when you arrange these letters in alphabetical order, E is the first letter, U is the last letter. E is 5, U is 21. 5 21 times gives you 105. The reason I am not writing alphabet values here is you should get used to those things. And for every question, I want you to pause the video. Try solving that question once and then get back to the video. That will definitely help you a lot. Now let us move on to the next question. If night equal to 77, day equal to 51, love equal to 54, then mobile equal to. Here, we are going to learn another important thing. If you look at the given words and the given numbers, let us learn this. A, Z are known as opposite letters. What does it mean? A is the first letter from the left end and Z is the first letter from the right end in the English alphabet. So A and Z are known as opposite letters or anti-letters. If you add their place values, A it's 1, Z 26, 1 plus 26 gives you 27. B and Y are opposite letters. B is 2, Y 25, sum of those two gives you 27. If you look at the third pair, C and X. C is the third letter. X is the 24th letter. 3 plus 24 gives you 27. If you observe a pair this way, when sum of the place values of two letters is 27, those two letters are known as opposite letters to one another. So A is the antiletter of Z, Z is the antiletter of A. B is the antiletter of Y, and Y is the antiletter of B. And so on. M is the antiletter of N, N is the antiletter of M. You will observe 13 such pairs. Now, let us look at the question. Night equal to 77. First letter of the word night is N. N's antiletter is M. M's place value is 13. Second letter of the word night is I. I's antiletter is R. R's place value is 18. G. G is the seventh letter and its opposite letter is T. T's place value is 20. If you observe these three things, instead of its place value, you are given its antiletter's place value. H is the eighth letter. Its opposite letter is S. S place value is 19. So instead of H, you are given 19. In the same way, T is the 20th letter. Its opposite letter is G. G's place value is 7. Sum of all these things gives you 77. Day. Can you apply the same logic here? Instead of D, we have to write 23. Instead of A, you have to write 26. Instead of Y, we have to write 2. Sum of these three things gives you 51. Let us look at this word, love. L's place value is 15, love, as L and O are opposite letters. Instead of O, I have to write 12. Instead of V, we have to write 5. Instead of E, we have to write 22. Sum of all these things gives you 54. Mobile. Let us apply the same logic here. Instead of M, 14. Instead of O, 12. Instead of B, 25. Instead of I, 18. Instead of L, 15. Instead of E, 22. Sum of all these things gives you 106. Next question. If mark equal to 172, cup equal to 120, 8 equal to 245, then mark equal to 172. Can we relate 172 with the word mark? 120 with the word cup? 172. If you observe, number of letters present in the word mark, 4. Is 172 a multiple of 4? Yes. Number of letters present in the word cup, 3. Is 120 a multiple of 3? Yes. Number of letters present in the word 8, 5. Is 245 a multiple of 5? Yes. Now, sum of the place values of the given word mark. M 13, A 1, R 18, K it's 11. Sum of all these things gives you 43 and you are given 172. 43 4 times 172. So why 4? Number of letters present in the word mark, 4. Let us apply the same thing here. Cup. Number of letters present in the word cup, 3. Sum of the place values of the given word is 40. 43 times is 120. If you look at the next word, 8, sum of the place values is 49. Number of letters present in the word 8 is 5. Sum of all these things gives you 49. 49 5 times 245. March. Sum of the place values. 43. M it's 13. A it's 1. R it's 18. C it's 3. H is 8. Sum of all these things gives you 43. Number of letters present in the word March, 5. Product of these two gives you 2, 1, 5. We are done with the first lesson on the topic coding and decoding. See you soon in the next lesson. Thank you.